Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Ceilume, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to Easy-On drop ceiling grid covers, the easiest way to make your old 1-inch drop ceiling grid look like new. Now you may be asking yourself, how easy are they? Well, you don't need to clean your grid before you install them. You don't need to worry about adhesive. There's no need for special tools. And whether you've got a 2x2 or a 2x4 grid layout, only 2 parts are required. Wall angle covers for the perimeter of your ceiling and main covers for everywhere else. Installation is a snap. All you have to do is slide your covers into place on your ceiling grid. Ceilume's Easy-On grid covers are a cost-effective and easy way to transform your dingy drop ceiling grid, and you'll be amazed at the result. If you have any questions or you'd like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Ceilume.